How to delete Google Chat messages from both sides. So if you want to delete Google Chat messages from both sides, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Chat application. Once you've opened your Google Chat, now you need to simply open up your chat in which you would like to delete the message. So here you have a sentence which says messages sent with history on are saved. So if you want to remove the message, then you need to turn off your history. So you need to simply go for the profile of that person, which is on the upper side. Tap on the profile and here it says history is on. So you need to simply turn off your history, and once you've turned off the history, now the messages sent are deleted within 24 hours or after 24 hours. So that's it. That's how you can delete your Google Chat messages from both sides. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.